Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete BetMGM account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your BetMGM account, what you need to do is first withdraw your funds. Before closing your account, withdraw any remaining balance, use the cashier tab, then to withdraw and process to transfer funds out of your account. Then next is to simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar simply type in BetMGM support, and then once you're inside, look for a link that says how to contact BetMGM customer service. Simply tap on that and you can also send a message to the support team at support@betmgm.com or your state specific email like nj@betmgm.com stating request to remove my BetMGM account. Include your username and ask them to close your account and delete it. You can also call the support line at 609-248-9531 and ask to have your account closed. Once done, customer service may ask you to verify your identification. Once processed, they will confirm closure via email. Even after closure, some personal data stays on file for legal or promotional reasons. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.